Hello everyone, the third video in the Coding Perseverance Rover series is here. In this example, we'll be using the extra add-on modules for the rover, so make sure you have them before starting this video. To include the modules in our code, we'll need to use the modules block section. This section will allow us to get information from our modules and also to control what happens with the modules that have an output like the RGB module. In this example, we'll use different modules as input to control the LEDs on our rover. For example, if the temperature and humidity module reads the temperature as higher than 20 degrees Celsius, the status green LED on your rover will light up. Now let's start coding. First, let's create all the variables we'll need for this example. There's gonna be 4 of them. Now, let's define all of these variables at the start of our code as shown here. Great! Now let's define what happens when a module gets inserted. We want the power LED to light up for 1 second to indicate that a new module has been inserted. To do that, add the when module inserted block and add the following blocks inside. Now we want the rear LED to light up for 1 second whenever a module gets removed. When that happens, we'll also reset all of the variables to their starting values. To do that, add the when module removed block and place the following blocks inside. Amazing! Now let's define what happens when we press the pair button. When that happens, these variables will update their values, but only if the necessary modules are inserted. Then the specific LEDs in your rover will light up depending on the values of these variables. Each variable will be tied to a specific LED on the rover because it's possible to have 2 modules inserted at the same time. If 2 variables control the same LED, we wouldn't be able to get their readings at the same time. After 2 seconds, all of the LEDs will turn off again, so that you can press the button again if you need to make another reading. To achieve all of that, place the following blocks inside the when button pair press block. Now we only need to add the Loop Forever block. Include the module's update, scan buttons, and sleep 20 milliseconds blocks to ensure proper code execution. We're done with coding. If your code looks like this, you are ready to click on the Run button. Try inserting a temperature and humidity module into the rover to see the power LED turn on. Now try pressing the pair button and take a look at the status green LED. If the LED lights up, it means that the temperature is above 20 degrees Celsius. You can repeat this same process with the altitude and pressure module. This one will turn on the status yellow LED if it reads the altitude as higher than 50 meters. The light sensor module will turn on the status red LED only when there's enough light. And the motion detection module will turn on the front LED only when it detects motion. Try inserting two modules to get two readings at the same time. You can also try changing the values needed to turn on these LEDs, or try achieving a similar effect with other modules. The possibilities are endless. If you want to put the stock firmware back onto your device, you can simply go here and click on the Restore Firmware button. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more examples.